Azmi, how are you?
I'm alright. So,
No complaints.
same to you.
Hey there everyone, you are actually watching the Argentleo's gaming channel, but I wanted to do something different and I decided to actually film my drive home and use it as a vlog background. It's actually not that difficult to do because any phone, well any smartphone with a camera should be able to do it, provided that you are able to save directly to your memory card and you've got enough space. I think a 10 gigabyte micro memory card, maybe a 60 gigabyte memory card will be ideal if your phone can support such a large memory card. Ideally for long drives, or if you just don't want to fuff around with your phone, the dash cam is still ideal and it's actually built for long hours of video. My motivation for this video was I wanted to try something different, like a vlog style video. I'm going to explore different ways of making videos and seeing which ones I actually prefer doing, which ones I find more fun.
Oh, there's a big
Yes,
fucking
I do enjoy gaming. I do enjoy making gaming videos, but one should actually explore other avenues. There are other things out there, like vlogging, for example. One of the cons of making this video is that I was listening to music on my way home from work, and I wanted the video to be as natural as possible. Should I get a million views on this video, it would actually be a YouTuber's nightmare, as I potentially would be copyrighted 6 ways from Sunday, making this video potentially not able to be monetized because of the music playing in the background. But it's okay, as I mentioned before, this is more of an exploratory exercise. The other reason why I actually wanted to try using my phone as a dash cam was, well, for a cost saving exercise as well, to see actually what the footage would look like and if I actually did need a dash cam. And I think it is a good idea. I think everyone should get one, should have one. Apart from the obvious dangers on the road, possible hijacking, you know, just accidents that can occur. And apart from that, I think the main reason to actually have one would be for insurance purposes. I mean, after a rain, you find these potholes just popping up all over the show, and you could easily fall into it and, you know, damage your vehicle terribly. I suppose for a temporary solution, the phone is an awesome solution. From my experience with my phone, it can go for about half an hour of recording before I start getting worried that it's a little bit too hot. Most phones tend to heat up when used as recording devices. And then again, you should be concerned about a fire, because I'm not sure exactly how hot phones do get if you record for too long. If mine does actually explode, I may put a little post at the bottom of this video in the comments to let you guys know that it could possibly happen. And also consider filming something in the early hours of the morning and filming something in the late hours of the day versus recording something during the midday in an extremely warm climate. Would add to your phone overheating, and that would cause the problem even sooner. I've not experienced it because I generally record in the early hours of the morning and the late hours of the afternoon. If you consider following suit and doing what I did, you're going to be actually placing your phone exactly where I placed my phone, as you're not going to have the special holders that come with the dash cam that would basically fix to the dashboard or the windscreen, and I doubt you're going to go as far as building a little box and two-way taping it to your dashboard. So ideally, just rubber band your phone to one of your sun visors. They are already equipped with hinges to swivel your focus, and because of their padded design, they do naturally dampen vibration, which I was pleasantly surprised to find. And well, that's about what I have to say regarding using your phone as a dash cam. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you do feel that you do require a dash cam, or maybe you don't really need one but you do feel that you would feel a little bit more comfortable having one,
The way you're driving.
your cell phone could be your perfect solution. I am Argentleo. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and do drive to stay alive. Cheerio.